Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies using an air fryer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, have 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar ready. Don't forget 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg until well combined, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in the rolled oats. Preparing your air fryer is key for perfect cookies. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. While it preheats, line the air fryer basket with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto the liner, ensuring you leave at least 2 inches of space between each cookie. This allows for even cooking and prevents them from merging. Now for the best part, baking. Air fry your cookies for 5 to 7 minutes. Baking time can vary slightly depending on your air fryer model, so keep an eye on them. The cookies should have golden brown edges and appear slightly soft in the center. Once baked, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them firm up and achieve that perfect chewy texture. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.